Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful— oh my shoulder. I made the world's smallest movement and it just popped. Today we have two boxes that we're going to be getting into. I'm very excited about both of them. Can't wait to see what it is inside. I'm also very excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Home Chef, which means we have another episode of Cookin with Alexandria. AKA me not trying to hurt myself with knives for like 2.5 minutes. Anyway, the boxes we're gonna be getting into today are this little baby right here and this even littler baby. These are both from Ipsy. We have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and then the Ipsy Ultimate. Whoa! Oh, I caught that like Spider-Man. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 box, and in the inside, I literally looked this up. I took a screenshot and everything because I was like, I'm gonna remember this time. I should remember this time because I've done this 1,000 times, but no. You get 5 full-size items in it, and they're like guaranteeing you a $120 value. But then the Ipsy Ultimate here, you are supposed to get 12 items inside of here. 8 of them are supposed to be full size. 4 of them are supposed to be like deluxe size. This is 50 buckaroonies. So we have our $75 worth of Ipsy boxes here. Let's go ahead and get on into the smaller little guy so we can see it first. Alright, so we have a little card here, which, yes, will tell us about all the items inside with their values. So the very first thing I'm going to pull out here is a, Apto Skincare Healing Mask. This is a turmeric healing mask. I like the packaging on this. It looks very, like, 80s lunchroom to me for some reason. That doesn't make any sense. Ooh, it is very yellow. I was wondering if it would be since it was turmeric. I do also wonder if it would stain your face a little bit because I know that turmeric does have staining capabilities. I have to say, I am not a turmeric fan. My mom bought this like turmeric tea and she did her best to try to get me to drink it. It's supposed to be like healthy or something, but don't get my mouth. There's like a slight hint of turmeric, but it really just smells mainly like face mask. Can it go back in there? Nope. For a second I thought I could just like push it back in. It's like Play-Doh. Well, I'll just try a little bit on my hand. Ooh, it looks like mustard. Or the inside of a deviled egg. That actually smells pretty good. I kind of like that. Next thing we have here is from Ciate London. This is a dewy stick. Oh no, is this one of those Vaseline highlighting sticks? I don't know, I can't really tell. Is this the same exact product that we got and I said that it looked like Vaseline? So this is the highlighting stick. That's the entire amount of product that you get inside of it. It says that it's sheer with hyaluronic acid, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that we DIY'd in a video a little while ago. That was a total joke, by the way. I'm not saying that you should just like rub Vaseline on your face for highlights. A lot of people said they really did like it though, so I might go ahead and pass this along to somebody else, see if they like it. Okay, next up in here we have something from Illamasqua, and this is the Animator lipstick in the shade Cosmic. Every time I see Illamasqua, I'm just having like flashbacks of that Nike swoosh flesh thing I had over my eyes, because this is probably one of the only makeup products that I've ever had like a severe allergic reaction to. Not this in particular, but it was an eyeliner. Oh, I like this color though. So the outer packaging is just like black plastic, and then the inside lipstick is kind of like a cool, what do we call this? Pink. It's like a dusty-ish pink reflective surface. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a massive pig face over here. Ooh, I actually really like this color. On the camera, it looks a little bit more pink than it does in person, I think, but I think it's like a really nice, subtle kind of petally pink. Here's to hoping my entire like mouth just doesn't suddenly start poofing up. I guess it would kind of be like getting lip plumpers though, but just a lot cheaper. Probably more itchy though. Alright, the next thing we have here is the Punk Volumizer Volumizer Mascara from— did I just say it again or am I going insane? Mascara from the brand Douce. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Am I mistaken, or is there like a Rimmel mascara that kind of looks like this? I don't know, this looks kind of familiar to me. Ooh, I like this big fluffy wand though, and I am currently out of mascara, so this is kind of nice. I like these really big, like fluffy, intense wands. I feel like they make my lashes look better, but that's just me personally, so I'm kind of excited about this. Oh, I did not just give myself like a Charlie Chaplin mustache, did I? Alright, and then the last actual product in here, we do actually have a makeup bag as well. This is the Gigi Gorgeous makeup. Oh, that's fun that they put that in here. So apparently Ipsy is coming out with like their own lines of makeup and they're collaborating with people, and I think their first collaboration was Gigi Gorgeous. This is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. What? I can't get it open. Oh, this is pretty. I like the packaging on this. I think it's really cute. I like that it's round and like the GG goes through it. That's really pretty. Oh, and the compact is nice as well. So we have kind of like a more warm, darker tone over here and then a lighter one. I'm guessing you could probably sculpt with the more gray toned one and then bronze up with this one. It also has a mirror with it as well. I think this is really cute. I like this. I like that we're seeing different stuff inside the Ipsy boxes as well. There's nothing from Wonder Beauty in here, which is just a miracle. And then finally, last but not least, we have our bag for the month. This is pretty cute. Oh, it's got a little leather tassel. How adorable. It's like brown and kind of pale pink leopard print or cheetah print, or how do you know the difference? With a faux suede little tassel zipper. I think this is a pretty cute bag. It feels a little bit more maybe on the fall side to me than like going into winter, but I like it. I guess it is still fall. We still have Thanksgiving to go through. There's snow outside. All right, so that was everything in the Glam Bag Plus. Let's get some pricing going on here. So the waterproof, where did I get waterproof from? Nowhere on here says waterproof. The Douce Punk Volumizer Mascara in black is $24. The next thing we have is the Apto Skincare Healing Turmeric Mask, $32 for 2 ounces, 16 bucks an ounce. Wow. Okay. Then we have the Illamasqua Antimatter. What did I say last time? I think I said animator. Antimatter lipstick in Cosmic is $27. That's an expensive lipstick. The Ciate London Dewy Stick Glow Thingy, 26 bucks. I'm pretty sure that is the same product and I do not think it is worth $26. Then we have the Gigi Gorgeous Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra for $24. So the total retail value is...
That would be $133.
$133. So it is over the $120 value, and I feel like there are some decent items in here. I did like the fluffy brush on the mascara. The turmeric smelled pretty good and I like the colored lipstick. So I think we're off to a pretty good start with this box. All right, but before we move into the second box, let's go ahead and hop into another segment of Cookin' with Alexandria. Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. I currently look like a 1980s mom that power walks in the mall. Can you believe Karen didn't even try to show up for the PTA meeting? But that's okay because I don't have to leave my house like this to get some delicious and tasty food because we are going to be making a Home Chef meal together. As you guys know, Home Chef is a meal delivery service that delivers fresh pre-portioned ingredients straight to your door. I have been using them for quite some time now and I have enjoyed every single meal I've tried. This week I had the option of a delicious jalapeno popper burger, a chicken adobo flautas. Oh, okay, that's a really long title. Tuscan tomato bolognese risotto with mushrooms and shaved parmesan, and an herbes de Provence chicken. Each of the dinner portions from Home Chef is $9.95. They have a ton of menu options to choose from. A lot of the menu options are things you have heard before, like burgers, but they always have something to jazz it up a little bit and make it more fun and exciting. Everything is already pre-portioned for you. You have very handy dandy little cards. Wait, where are my little cards? Ow, my knee! Oh! Ah! Note cards. These handy dandy little note cards will tell you exactly what you're supposed to do for each recipe. They're crazy easy to follow. If I can do it, literally anyone can do it. So today I think I'm gonna go with the chicken adobo flautas because they sound amazing. I don't exactly know what they are, but they look real good. I don't have any lids that fit. Oh yes, these look absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to give these a try. The shells got nice and crispy in the pan. These look so good. Oh my goodness. And if you too would like to create some delicious meals with Home Chef, they are currently giving out their best offer yet, $20 off your first 4 boxes for a total of $80 off. Sign up and meal selections are super easy. So if you're interested in trying out Home Chef, you can use my code Alexandria80 at checkout for $20 off your first 4 boxes. Why is it hot? Oh my gosh. As I mentioned just a minute ago, it's snowing outside, so it's very cold, but I'm in short sleeves because next to me I have a little like plug-in heatery thing, which I forgot was there, and it made my box nice and toasty for me. Don't let things touch your heaters, kids. All right, so let's go ahead and get on into here. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, so right off the bat, we have another bag with the same material and the little tassel, but this is like a train case bag with a handle. I actually think this is super adorable. This is kind of the style of makeup bag that I take when I'm traveling, which is very, very rarely, but when I do travel, this is kind of like, oh, it has 2 zippers. It's a really nice size with a little zipper pouch up here and then a pocket. I think this is super cute. Okay, we have another little guide here, which will tell us about everything inside of the box. Okay, first up here, we have another Gigi Gorgeous product, but this is actually different. Oh, this is a blush duo. Okay, so I got mine in the shade Authentic and Pride. Again, very difficult to get into. Oh my gosh. And I had the same problems with like functioning as I do. My rabbit teeth left like a perfectly square indentation on this box. All right, again, it has the same cute little packaging and ooh, okay, these are pretty colors. A little bit more on the pinky side than I would typically go. We have a matte kind of corally-ish pink over here and then a more like petal pink over here with a shimmer to it. But these are pretty shades. I just typically go for something that's a little bit more mauvey instead of pinky. I spoke far too soon. I should have known better. Okay, so the next item we have in here is from, good job, yes, Wonder Beauty. This is the Wondrous Rush eyeshadow palette. Ooh, okay, so these are actually really pretty colors. Nice like shimmers and metallics. It looks like we have maybe a matte or two as well. I think this is a really pretty palette. I just think it's funny that Wonder Beauty shows up in subscription boxes like constantly. Next up, we have something from It, which I'm excited about. This is the Confidence in a Cleanser, and I actually like the Confidence in a Cream. Oh look! Confidence in a Cream, I put this on today. I like the Confidence in a fill in the blank line, so I'm excited about this. I think I might already have this. I don't know if I've tried it yet though. But this is supposed to be for anti-aging, which I think is really nice, and it also cleans as well. This will not stop sliding off my lap. I have nowhere to put it. Okay. Next thing we have here is from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, and I'll look at the bottle. I think I might have had the same exact thing before. No, definitely not. This is a strange bottle, but it's pretty cool to look at. I've had something from Juice Beauty before, and I have to say it burned my face pretty bad, and I don't know if that's like what it's supposed to do. I like it a lot of times when things burn because it makes me know it's working, but it didn't, it stung. So we'll see how this one goes. I am looking for anti-wrinkle stuff though, because this forehead's kind of getting out of control a little bit. On the back, it just literally says age less, which sounds good. So yeah, I'll give this a try. Next, we have something from Billion Dollar Brows. This is the best seller kit. It looks like we have 3 or 4, I guess if I could count, little guys in there. It says this kit works with most skin tones and hair colors, which that's kind of interesting because people have like blonde hair and black hair, and that Alright, so we have 4 products in here. They do all look full size, which is nice. We have a little Billion Dollar Brow Universal Brow Pencil. I just feel like that's hard to do. I quickly went ahead and swatched it 3 times, once really lightly and then with a few coats, and then one I like really dug in there. I feel like if you do have lighter hair, this will probably work out well for you, and then maybe up to like my hair color. I personally prefer a darker brow than this, so universal is a very difficult word to use. It also has a little spoolie on the other end. Then there is a brow gel, which probably is universal because I'm sure it's clear. We have a little very, very flat brush, and then a dual-ended concealer and highlighter brow pen. Oh goodness. The next thing we have in here is from Trestique. And again, it looks like it's a pencil because everything they do looks like one of these big chubby crayons. Oh, it's kind of cool though. It reminds me of being a child. I used to have these like massive crayons that I would draw with when I was little. I also used to eat them. Fun fact, my mom found me under the table one day just gnawing down on a big giant green crayon, and my cousin used to cry when he knew I was coming over because he was afraid I would eat his crayons. Anywho, so this is a massive Trestique like chubby pencil thing. This is supposed to be for bronzing. I absolutely never cream bronze. This is kind of an intimidating product to me. It smells like nothing. I feel personally that I'll probably never actually use this, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and pass this along to somebody else. I just really don't use a lot of cream products. Alrighty, next up here in a very smooshed box, we have the High Beam from Benefit. And I think I've definitely tried this out before, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Relax. It's like a very, very pale shimmery highlight. Again, I don't really do too many like cream or liquid products, but it does catch the light really pretty. Okie dokie. Next up here, we have something from Kismet Cosmetics. Kismet. This is a sugar lip scrub. It's just a little pot of lip scrub there. It's all natural, so that means you can probably eat it if you want to. Oh, it smells like watermelon. Mmm. Oh, that's really good. Don't eat cosmetics, kids, but that's actually really tasty. Okay, the next thing we have here is a matte lipstick from the brand Context. Very minimal looking packaging. I'm not sure if I've ever received a lipstick from this brand before. Oh, that's also a really pretty color. This is more of like a spicy looking red. It kind of has that almost like, I don't know, toasted red look to it. Very pretty. I feel like I have a few lipsticks of this shade though, and I'm really trying to cut back on the amount of makeup waste I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along to somebody else. Next up here, we have something from Youth to the People. This is the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream with kale and spinach and hyaluronic acid. That sounds much more healthy than that watermelon sugar I just ate. The outer packaging is pretty cute. It looks very nice and natural. Oh. Why did you need all this packaging for this tiny little guy here? I feel like this is incredibly wasteful. There's even like extra cardboard on the bottom so it has a little podium to stand on so it doesn't look so small. Like Robert Downey Jr. in his little lifted boots. Next up we have a concealer brush from Bugatti's. I'm actually really not sure what brand this is, but this is a concealer brush. It's a really nice shape. I feel like this would be good for like doing a cut crease if you ever take the time to do a cut crease. I typically don't, but it has that nice shape to it. It feels pretty soft and nice. And then finally, let's get this box off me. All right, the very last thing we have here, I say for last because I have no idea what it is. It's wrapped in bubble wrap and it just says "Bite Your Kiss" on the front of it. Don't know why. It's a mysterious object. Holy guacamole, is this a nail polish? Oh my gosh, I think this is a nail polish. This is the fanciest nail polish I've ever seen. I know this brand. I know this brand because of the wrinkly little lid here. Y'all see that? How it's not like flat and nice like this over here. It's like purposefully wrinkled. A long time ago in a subscription box, I received this little eyeshadow palette which was like purposely wrinkled on the outside, and then when you opened it on the inside, the pans were crooked on purpose and it drove me nuts. I literally gave that eyeshadow away to somebody else because I couldn't take it. But that's the brand that this is. It's a very pretty nail polish. This bottle is just so pretty. I guess that's supposed to happen. Oh, my eyes are burning. All right, the tiny little miniature wand here makes it a little bit difficult to actually paint your nails, but I really like this color. It's like a deep purple. So yeah, I think that's really cute, even with its little crunched in lid. Okay, so let's go through here quickly and get the value of this box. Oh wait, they did this last time. They give you this whole massive pamphlet, but they don't tell you the prices of everything. I think that's a little bit frustrating, and I feel like they shouldn't do that. This is the most expensive box they have, but for some reason they won't tell you the full size value, which I don't know. I just think that's frustrating. So I definitely think that should be a recommendation for change. But I personally think I liked this Ipsy Ultimate better than last Ipsy Ultimate, which was the first one that I ever tried out, and I think it might have been the very first Ipsy Ultimate. I'm not 100% sure. I am pretty happy with it. I feel like this cleanser has to be at least $20-$30, something like that, which is a lot for cleanser, but it is at cosmetics. I don't know if this blush is probably about $24 as well, so I would say like with these two things here, you do get your money back. And then I also really like the travel case. I think this is super cute, and I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this. So overall, I'm much more happy with this Ipsy Ultimate than the last one, but I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today, so just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. And again, thank you so very much to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!